You can see here is my machine, and if you want to adjust the price, you need to press the second button inside the machine here, the second one. Then you hear the sound, and then you can see the configuration here. Then you can adjust it. These two buttons, one is upper and another is lower. See, and this one is confirm. This one is clean or back. Then if you want to adjust the single price, go to here and press confirm to enter, and then you can select different line to change the price. For example, if you want to change the second one, then we need to confirm enter to the second line and then adjust the price. Okay, wait. Here, for example, enter, then I change the price like 22.0. You must make sure that you have a dot and zero after this price, and then confirm. And for the third one, you can enter and then change the price, and then press the dot and zero. I will show it again, but if I clean right, then press the dot to make the dot here, and then press the zero, confirm. Okay, then the price will be fixed, and then confirm again. Then you can enter to the 4 line, and then enter or clean. Okay, like this one.